Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture we will discuss the basics of nuclear energy and two types of reaction, fission reaction and fusion reaction in detail. Mankind is always searching for new power sources as the conventional sources of power generation are limited. Moreover, the world demand for electrical power is doubling after every decade due to increasing in population. It is estimated that the present fossil fuels will not last more than few decades to supply the rapid increasing demand of electric power. The discovery of the fission of uranium was of tremendous importance as it is opened the prospects of using the energy stored in the atomic nucleus for the production of electric power. Presently, the nuclear energy enlarge the world power sources. The present estimate reveals that fissionable uranium alone contains far more energy than that all the world reserve of coal and petroleum put together. A unique feature of nuclear energy is an exceptionally high degree of concentration which exceeds by million of times the concentration of energy in the conventional fossil fuels. For example, the energy of 1 kg of uranium, it is equivalent to about 20 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt hour of energy, heat energy, or burning of 2000 tons of high grade coal. The first nuclear reactor was built under the strict security arrangement in the University of Chicago Stage-Field Stadium by Fermi and his collaboration. World first atomic power plant of 5 megawatt capacity for industrial purposes was commissioned in USSR on 27 June in 1954, and this date is regarded as the birth of new source of power generation. Now we will discuss two types of nuclear reaction, fusion reaction and fission reaction. First of all, what is nuclear fission? Nuclear fission is a nuclear reaction in which the nucleus of an atom is bombarded with low energy neutrons which split the neutrons into smaller nuclei. A large amount of energy released in this process. Nuclear fission reaction are used in nuclear power plant reactor since it is easy to control and produces large amount of energy. When uranium-235 is bombarded with slow moving neutrons, the heavy nucleus of uranium splits and produces krypton and barium with emission of 3 neutrons. There are two types of nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear power plant is an example of control chain reaction, okay, in which we are using control mechanism, control rod. Okay, so there is a control on this reaction, so it is called control chain reaction. And nuclear bomb is an example of uncontrolled chain reaction. Now we will discuss what is nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a reaction that occurs when two or more atoms combine together to form a single heavier nucleus. An enormous amount of energy is released in this process. This is much greater than the energy released during the nuclear fission reaction. Fusion reaction occurs in the sun where the atoms of isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium combines in a high pressure atmosphere with extremely high temperature to produce an output in the form of neutrons and isotopes of helium. Also, the large amount of energy released in fusion is very greater than the energy produced by fission. The reaction occur in sun and hydrogen bomb are the example of nuclear fusion reaction. So this is overall about the introduction of nuclear energy and its importance, as well as there are two types of reaction, nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. So I hope this content it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical videos, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.